Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Installation Manager using console mode. So let's log in into the Linux machine from the terminal. So here I'm on a Mac terminal. So let's SSH to Linux machine as a root user. I logged in as a root user. So let's go to the softwares agent directory. So here are the list of files that you can use to install the installation manager. So if you want to install the installation manager in a console mode, so let's use install C. So run /install C -C. So here it will ask you to select the options. So one for install installation manager, two for check the other versions, fixes or extension, and for next. So you can hit enter here. Now A to accept the license, D to do not accept the license. So let's select A. So I accepted the license. So let's click or select an N or hit enter. So if you this is going to install under opt IBM installation manager Eclipse directory. If you want to change the location of the installation manager, install location of installation manager, then use option L. So let's install the installation manager under the default location only. So hit enter. So to continue with the installation, just type I or just hit enter. So now the installation manager is installing. So here installation manager completed successfully. Installation is completed successfully. So to restart the installation manager, just hit enter. So now the product is successfully installed. Exit the installation manager. So that's all. So let's look into the how to install or how to uninstall the installation manager. So to uninstall the installation manager in a console mode, go to var IBM installation manager, cd to uninstall directory, and run /uninstall c -c. So if you look at this, so here it looks like this is not supported. So let's run /install uninstall c and see what. So just run /uninstall c. So this is going to uninstall the installation manager from /opt. So let's go to /opt, run rm -rf ibm, and go to var cd to var and also run rm -rf ibm. So now the product is successfully installed using console mode.